Hi friends, welcome to AI Automation Mastery Hub. So today we're going to see one of the most important AI models, that is Gemini from Google. It's a fantastic AI model. If you understand all the features, you can increase your productivity by 5x. So let's dive in and explore the features of the Gemini AI. So friends, to log into Gemini, just go to Google or anywhere, Gemini AI. If you don't not sure about what is the URL of Gemini, and you can find the Google gemini.google.com. So this is the Gemini interface when you log in. Then you can able to see there are different models available over here. 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro. There are two models are available as of now. And this is the box for prompting. And here you can see the tools. In the tools, you can able to see deep search, create images, canvas, and guided learning. Right. And if you click on if you hover off your mouse over here, you can able to see all the recent charts you did. And if you go to your settings, you can able to find your change the theme, change the connected apps, your activity, your help, everything over here. So this is the overall layout of the Gemini AI. And next, we explore feature by feature. Now, there are two models as it is. There are two models available. One is 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro. The the requirement is like 2.5 Flash is usable when you want to get the response fast, right? It's the name itself, fast response. And the general conversations where there is no deep logical thinking is not required. Any generation of the code or mathematical expression evolution, nothing required. Just getting the data from the trained model, right? So in that case, Flash is good. It renders the response fast and you get the response fast. Whereas the reasoning and math and code, the pro model is kind of whenever it involves a kind of reasoning, involve it kind of thinking, whenever it involves solving the mathematical problems and generate the code. In that case, you need to go for the reasoning model, right? Right. Now, when you select in the Flash model, if you click on the tools, there are multiple options available. Deep research can create images, canvas, and guided learning, right? So generally, if you don't select anything, it will get the data from the model. If you select the deep research, right? So this is one of the best thing whenever you want to do some kind of good research, go to multiple sites and get the information from multiple sites and present that information in a better manner. In that case, you want to do some kind of deep research, but so many sites you want to get the data from different sites. In that case, you need to select the deep research. It is little slow compared to the normal prompt, but it gives very deep insights of your requirement, your request, right? So now let me do some kind of search using a deep research. Just I'm giving some kind of deep research. So if you observe, right, if I give this prompt, it taking time and it will go through multiple sites and it present the data in good manner. See, it won't immediately go and search. It will ask. So is this the thing you want? You want to analyze the market landscape, growth projections, and key drivers for business process automation. Is this the one you are looking for? It will ask. It will give some kind of the points and is asking, is this the one, or you want to add more, or you want to remove more, something like that, right? So, so if you okay, then you can start research. If you're not okay, you want to edit plan, you can edit plan, you can change that plan, right? Okay, start research. Then it will as the Gemini based on the Google has very strong search engine capabilities, right? So Gemini is a native platform for Google. So it will go for multiple sites and grab the information and present in very good manner. So whenever you want to do research, right, this is the best available platform. Then see how many sites it's researching, these number of sources, it's go and getting the data for that, right? So you will get very best research information when you use the Gemini deep research mode. It will take time researching 66 websites, insane, right? So if you want to do research, I strongly recommend go and do this deep research. This is absolutely free, no charge. right? This is the best thing you can do. Absolutely, you can do research using absolutely free. Then we will go for the next feature. Let's take one more, a few more time because only half research is done. Let me duplicate this thing and go to the next feature. In the Gemini, next feature I want to explore is kind of for the gems. So gems is like a custom AI assistant. So whenever you have requirement like you want to follow some kind of rule, okay? So for each prompt you are giving over here, you want to follow that same rule. Then every time mentioning that rule is redundant, right? So rather than you create one kind of master AI assistant prompt, and if you give input to that prompt, as the prompt is already configured with that rule, so it takes that rule into consideration and generate the response. So use this one generic prompt, and whatever the request you given, the response will be generated according to that, right? So let me create one simple gem. uh, for gem I need to give the prompt. Even I don't know what prompt, how the I need to give the prompt to gem. For that, what I can do is I can ask Gemini itself, please give the gem prompt from me. So let me go over here once again and selecting the flash model, and then it's reasoning, right? I select the pro model, and I'm asking, you are just assigning one role. You are gem expert. Provide me, provide me a prompt to create gem. What is my requirement? I want to create a prompt for a travel guide. Okay, I want to develop. I want to options near the location. So my intention is when you want to go any place like Goa or Kodaikanal, you want to know what are the different kinds of other important sites you need to visit when you visit Goa, and what are the different accommodation options available for you, and what are the travel transport options available for you in that city. So I want to create a gem to guide the travelers who are traveling to a specific location. So this gem will guide like different options available to travel over there, and different options available to get the hotel over there, and different food options, different nearest attraction options, all the stuff. So I'm asking the Google to provide the gem prompt, right? So using this prompt, I can create a gem. See, you are a Gemma and expert in travel guide. Your mission to create comprehensive, practical, and inspiring travel plan for a user. Your tone should be friendly, encouraging, and highly informative. Generate a detailed travel guide based on the following user inputs: travel details, destination, source city, trip duration, traveler profile, budget, specific interests. Structure the user will give all these inputs from where he is going, what is profile, something like that, and structure the guide the following sections: trip overview, getting there from source city to destination, which are the different available by car, by train, and local attractions nearby that city, and recommended options, accommodation options, food and culinary delight. So all this information, um, it will provide all this information, right? So this is a very generic prompt. So I can use this prompt to travel from Secunderabad to Goa, or Delhi to Kulimanali, or from Mumbai to Switzerland, whatever. So whatever the source destination might be, I want to get the generic information about the city I'm visiting, right? So every time I did not give all these details like accommodation action options, food and culinary delights. So this is a generic reusable prompt that is called a gem in terms of Gemini terminology. Okay, let me copy this gem and create the gem, I'm copying this gem, already is copy available, copy it, and go over here and go to explore gems and new gem, and this gem I'm giving as a travel guide, and instruction section I'm giving here whatever I generated, right? Like, and create a gem, saving it, start chart. Now, okay, start chart. Now I want to travel. I want to travel Ooty from Hyderabad. I want to travel from Ooty from Hyderabad uh, for a vacation. Vacation. I want to stay for 3 nights. Just I'm giving some information. How many? Because based on your stay duration, it can provide the all the plan, right? So I want to stay 3 nights in Ooty. So now it is giving that the trip duration 3 days and 4 nights, 4 days and 3 nights, couple romantic gateway, travel profile I'm not given, but it is hallucinating. And budget also I didn't given, specific interest not given. So once you have there, I will generate a complete guide including transportation. Okay. The trip overview by air, nearest airport, by train, by car, recommendation, local attractions, OT, this lake, all this type is giving, right? Accommodation, different kind of foods, everything is giving. What, how getting around a destination, auto rickshaws, all the stuff, right? So now, if you want to go to Goa or planning to visit Goa from Hyderabad, my duration is 6 days. I want luxury accommodation. I'm giving just, but it's how much it information generating. See, for Goa, the trip overview, how to go to Goa from Hyderabad, right? What are the local attractions in Goa? What are accommodation options in Goa? Food, everything, right? So using this one master gem, you can use for n number of your requests. It will provide all the information what you designed in the master gem, right? So this is one of the best feature in the Gemini, right? And whenever you want to generate a kind of mathematical code and you go to the reasoning model, I'm just choose the reasoning model. Okay, not chart in the reasoning model. What I'm doing is I want to check the reasoning model. Uh, I want to earn. I want to earn 3 lakhs this month. I don't want to do any marketing stuff. I'm not strong coding. Want to leverage AI features. Then this amount. Please provide the strategy. Now I'm giving some problem, throwing some problem to the pro model. I'm asking the pro model to think, to reason, right? So whenever some kind of the problem, it requires the thinking. This problem is required thinking, because for this for this request, there is no data available, already available over here, already available in the system, right? So for this request, it has to think. So for that, for therefore, I'm using the pro model for that. So the pro model, now it's generating the data, generating the response. How you can earn 3 lakhs this month without doing any marketing, and by leveraging the AI features. So the game plan, your goal is to bundle services to large projects. And 3 lakhs, you need to aim for projects 50,000 to 1 lakh range. This means you only need to land 3 to 6 high ticket clients in a month. AI video content package, AI business automation package. So stepwise given, 3 to 5 days, what you need to do. Next 6th day, what you need to do. And 7 to 30 days, what you need to do. How to win the high ticket projects. All those plan is given, right? Your goal to spend 2 to 3 hours a day for spending out 5 to 10 highly customized profiles like this. Like this is a given. So this is the strategy given when I use the pro model, right? So depend upon your requirement, you have to choose the model, right? So this is one of the best thing. And in the create image, want to create image, it's a multi-modal. You can add something, you can add any file, any image, and you can ask about that image. It will explain about what is the thing in the image. It will explain about the charts, everything, right? Let me upload some files. And I have one, let me show that file. What is that thing what I uploaded? So in the recent downloads, so this is a mastermind I uploaded. This is about the prompting techniques. Very big, I mean, mind map, right? So this mind map I uploaded. So let's see what it gives the output using this mind map. I uploaded the image. Read the mind map and explain me the concepts. So it reading the image, and now it is explains what is there in the image, right? Is prompt engineering and management, advanced prompting techniques, advanced prompting management organization, ethical consideration, prompt engineering, this stuff, right? So given all this information from the image, so this can scan and read images and provide the information on the images, and you can able to create the image also, create an image that I am sitting and standing in front of, yeah, water plants. So I'm uploading my image, profiles, document. Upload this image. I want this image to be Standing in front of Niagara waterfalls. Let's see how it generates. Generating image. See, nice, right? Insane. I went to Niagara waterfalls. I'm standing in front of Niagara waterfalls. This is very good. Now we can use the image features to generate the image from the text. And the pro feature for thinking capabilities, deep research feature for getting information from different websites and provide a research paper for you, beautiful research paper for you, right? And one of the best features is like you want to talk to your Google Stack, right? Let me go over here, content apps. Let's go. So I'm enabling this Google Workspace. Connect. Now I'm coming back to my new chart. At the rate Google Gmail. What mails I got today? Without going anywhere, without going to Gmail, I'm just able to open that Gmail and able to see what mails I got today. I got this email and at the rate Google Calendar. What are my activities today? In this calendar, I don't have any activities. That's the reason, right? So you can see you can talk to any of your Google Workspace things, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs. Need not go over there in that Google Drive. You can get information from here itself. This is one of the best features you can leverage from the Google Gemini AI. Right? So yeah, that's it. You can use these features and you can make your work so productive using Gemini. Please provide your comments on that. Thank you.